Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Julienne. I'm a classically trained chef and this is my month-long series of tips and recipes. So today I'm going to show you how to julienne a carrot. Really simple and easy. So let's get right into it. So this is a vegetable peeler, very handy tool. This is definitely one of my go-to. So I'm going to start by peeling this carrot. And it's always good to start with a good, like a medium to large carrot if possible. I'm just going to cut the ends off. So I'm just going to trim the end of the carrot. So just trim that part off. Because of the size of this carrot, I think it'll be great to do it in thirds. So you always want to start by giving yourself a base. And then we're going to kind of make like a rectangle kind of shape with the carrot. So there you go. And you can always save these two for stocks or salads. And now slice really thin. Oh yeah, there we go. Really pretty. And these are just planks. Not too thick. That's the thickness here. So you get an idea of how thick it is. And don't forget to tuck your fingers. Tuck your fingers, tuck your fingers. That's really important. Repeat the process. And you try to get them pretty even as possible. Now we are going to cut these into little matchsticks. You really just want to make sure you tuck your fingers. That's important. So like use your knuckles to guide the knife and cut away. So if you notice how I'm cutting it, I'll go a little slower so you have an idea of how, and I'm just moving my fingers along the way, and they're pretty even though they're hand cut. So again, I'll do one more just for demonstration. Tuck, you tuck your fingers. If you notice, my knuckles are pretty much up against the knife. I'm not even taking the knife off of the cutting board. If you notice, it's just gliding, gliding, gliding. Repeat the process until you have the amount that you need. And that is how you julienne a carrot. Really simple and easy. They're perfect for salads, or if you're doing stir fry, or just a really pretty garnish if your recipe calls for julienne carrots. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.